Hello friends, Hastani Jobs YouTube channel on Orozutro Lamsogo, fighting Kisantini, IBPS Nibishinte Kata job ni notification Lenai, or a post Lanjaknai, officer scale 1, 2, and 3. They office assistant multi-purpose or post ni bagay na job lanjaknai. Fighting Kesang Sini Tripura State ni bagay busuta post tongson Lenai. Office assistant multi-purpose post ni bagay, Tripura Gramming Bank on job lanjaknai, or a vacancies Zatango, Tripura Gramming Bank. HC ni bagai vacancies tongnai 10टा, ST ni bagai 19टा tongnai, EWS ni bagai 6टा tongnai, General ni bagai 25टा vacancies tongnai, total hingke 60टा vacancies na telanjaknai. Officer scale 1 post ni bagai vacancies telanjaknai. HC ni bagai 6टा, ST ni bagai 2टा, OBC ni bagai 7टा tongnai, EWS ni bagai 3टा, General ni bagai 9टा, total 25टा vacancies na telanjaknai. Sini Tripura State ni bagai exam center Agartala na tongnai. Online examination lajaknai prelims exam ni bagai ora syllabus jatongo norok kam khena nedi main exam ni bagai ora syllabus jatongo norok notification na kaham khena nedi video ni description manai norok notification post ni bagai application starong kham 7 June 2024 ni simi 27 June 2024 rati norok online application khaimanai angke aro prelims examination lajaknai August te main exam lajaknai September eba October mase no main examination lajaknai office assistant multipurpose post ni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree khajatong kinaro post ni bagai application khaimanai officer scale 1 ni bagai boro bachelor degree khajatong kinaro post ni bagai application khaimanai engke aro preference rejaktong oro norok kam khina nedi notification video ni description mannai oro post wise application fee rejaktong norok engke friends norok nogui mankana IBPS ni bisingte Tripura Gramming Bank ni bagai job ni notification Omahai katal job ni notification aina bagai Hastani Jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlaina support khadi tai nero katal job ni notification nogui mannai